Hello and welcome back. This is one of my favorite letters to make. I don't know why. I just really like making it. It is also kind of tricky. So if we notice, we have another descender letter, which remember descender means it goes down into the basement when we make it. So it goes down into the basement. So we need to make sure that when we make it, we go all the way down. So we start, look how everything kind of goes through the same point. All right, that's going to be super important. So when we start down here at the bottom line. We're going to go up to the top, make a loop, bring it back down through into the basement, make another loop, and then bring it back to the broken line. So we are going this way in our descender. So again, make sure everything goes through this one point in the middle of your J. So we start at the bottom line, up to the top loop, down into the basement, loop in front, back to the broken line. Bottom, top, basement, back up to the broken line. And so the key to this is going very slow. So don't go fast and kind of do something like that. You got to keep it nice and tight and keep it all together. And the only way we get better is if we practice and if we take our time and if we train our muscles. So you should have this paper at home and you should be using it to help you. Trace these letters first before you go and you start trying them on your own, because that's the only way we're going to get better. I know everyone in my class got a copy of this, so if you don't know where it is, go look for it. All right, so that's some good practicing with our capital J's. Let's go on to some of our words. Our first word is Jackson, and notice how our J is going to connect now. The last few we've done is not connected. These ones do. So we're going to start with Jackson. Capital J, A, C, K, S, O, N. Jackson, nothing to dot or cross. Next word we have is J, O, L, I, E, T. So I think it's Joliet, like Juliet maybe, but O. So we have capital J, connects right into our O, L, I, E, T, cross and dot. Next word we have is Japan. So we have capital J, A, P, A, N. Japan. Next we have is Jet, like Mr. Jet. Capital J, E, T, T. And make sure that you cross these T's separately. So don't just make one line through both. You gotta make sure that you cross them both individually. Next word we have is J. Capital J, A, Y. Next one we have is Jolyn, which is another name. We have J, O, L, Y, N, N. So we have capital J, O, L, Y, N, N. Our first sentence is Jasmine jets to Joplin. So we have Jasmine, J, A, S, M, I, N, E, dot your I. Jets, J, E, T, S, cross and dot. 2, T, O, cross your T. Joplin, J, O, P, L, I, N. Dot your I. Don't forget your end mark. The last one we have is Jake is in Jordan. So we have Jake, J, A, K, E, is, I, S, dot, in, I, N, dot, Jordan, J, O, R, D, A, N. Don't forget to dot.